Good morning, students. This is 8085 instruction sets. So there are 5 types of instruction set in 8085. First one is data transfer instructions. Second one arithmetic instructions. Third one logical instructions. Fourth one branching instructions. Fifth one machine control and stack instructions. First we shall go to C. We shall discuss about data transfer instructions. So data transfer means the data can be move, exchange, load and store, etc. That means these instructions include, that is data transfer instructions include move, exchange, load and store. So this is the main task of these data transfer instructions. So simply data transfer means copied from memory to memory or memory to register or register to memory and memory to register, etc. So these things easily to done by using data transfer instruction. So what are the transfer is done on data transfer instruction is memory to memory, memory to register, register to memory and memory to registers. So this is the uh, transfer by using these instructions. Here flags are not affected by any instruction of this group. The flags are does not affected for data transfer instruction, but in arithmetical instruction the flags are affected. Okay. First in data transfer instruction, move, MOV for move, RD for register, then RD for destination register, that is RD for destination register, RS for source register. Move these instruction copies the content of the source register into destination register, that is RS to RD. It is register to register. Here the data will be transferred register to register. Next move M comma register, that is source register. This is the second one is the content of source register is copied to memory. Similarly for third one, register comma memory, the content of memory is copied to register. So this is a three category for copying source to destination register. Okay, next second one, move immediate 8 bit. So MVI for move immediate, that means the immediate data is moved, or copied to register, that is data to be copied on specified register. That is the meaning, data, the 8-bit data to be copied on specified register. The first instruction MVI RD comma data, RD for destination register, then data, any 8-bit data can be moved specified register. Similarly move immediate data comma memory, that is data to be transferred on memory, that is a memory for memory location. Okay, next third one, LDA. LDA means load accumulator. LDA means load accumulator, that is load in accumulator. The content of a memory location specified by a 16-bit address in the operand. This is one of the example is there LDA 2034H. So 2034H is the memory address. The content will be stored in that memory address. That data to be loaded in accumulator, that is copied to accumulator. So this is the meaning for load in accumulator. Okay, next LDAX, load accumulator in indirect, that is load accumulator indirect, LDAX. So that means this instruction copies the content of that memory location into the accumulator. Content of memory location into the accumulator. Suppose that the content of either the register pair or the memory location are not altered. Here it does not alter the memory location because the specified memory location will be given. So that's why it could not altered. For example, LDAX B. So B for BC register for loading the pair is to for loading the register pair. It is B for BC register. It is a pair register. The content of memory, the contents of memory location into the accumulator. Okay, next LXI, load register pair immediate. LXI, load register pair immediate. So register pair comma 16-bit data. Register pair means for giving a H means it is a HL register. H means it is a HL register because of I'm taking a 16-bit data. So the instruction loads 16-bit data directly to the register pair. The instruction loads 16-bit data in the register pair designated in the operand. For example, LXI H, 2034. So 2034 is a address. For that address, the data will be presented. So for the data directly loads HL register. So 201 data is that 34 is another address. So this the 16-bit data will be copied to specified register pair, that is HL register. Okay, next load LHLD, that is load H and L registers direct LHLD, that is 16-bit address. For example, LHLD 2040H. So that means the instruction copies the contents of the memory location pointed out by the 16-bit address into the register L and copies the content of the next memory location into the register H. So for first the content of the memory location pointed out by the 16-bit address into the register L. The first the 16-bit address pointed out the L for copying the content of data. After that the memory will be incremented, that is higher order address will be incremented for pointed out the H, that means the pair register HL, first storing the L, then after that storing the data in H register. So here also the source memory location are not altered. Next STA. So this is the another data transfer instruction, STA 16-bit data store accumulator. Store accumulator direct. For example, STA 4350H. STA 4350 is a memory location. If you want to specify any memory location in MESM, in the simulator 8085 simulator, for giving a C030, C040, C050, these are all the specified memory location for storing a data. That is, the content of the accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. So directly specified by the operand. That is a storage area. That is for storing a content of the accumulator. So this is a 3-byte instruction. The first 3-byte instruction, the second byte specifies the lower order address and the third byte specifies the higher order address. Okay, next store accumulator indirect, STAX. Store accumulator indirect, STAX. Then register pair. That means the content of the accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the contents of the operand. That is the 16-bit data, that is the content of the accumulator. The content of the accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. Specified by the operand means B is a operand. So B means it is a register pair. So BC register. So it will stored first for C, then after that store the data in B. So that is the meaning of STAX, store accumulator indirectly. The next SHLD for 16-bit address. So store H and L register directly, but whereas in STAX stored accumulator indirectly. Here SHLD directly, the instruction directly presented on HL register. So store the content of data is first L, then H. The content of register L are stored into the memory location specified by the 16-bit address in the operand, and the content of H register are stored into the next memory location, that is 2470. That is SHLD 2470H. First store the data, that is 70 for the L, then 24 for pointed on the H register. The content of data will be stored on first L and then the next memory location for H. Next, XCHG, exchange L, H and L with D and E. Exchange H and L with D and E to exchange the data for register pairs. The content of the register H are exchanged with the content of register D first. Similarly, the content of register L and exchanged with the content of register E. So directly to exchange the specified data for one register to another register, that is S register is replaced to D and L register is replaced to exchange to E. So that is the meaning exchange. The next SPHL, copy H and L register to stack pointer. That is HL register, the content of HL registers into the stack pointer. This instruction loads the content of HL registers into stack pointer register. So this is the meaning SPHL, that is copy H and L register to the stack pointer. And next exchange, that is XTHL, exchange HL register with top of stack. So XT for top of stack, the content of L register are exchanged with the stack location pointed out by the content of the stack pointer, that is a last in first out. So last data will be presented on the top of the stack. The next data data, that is L register, the content of L register will be pointed on the next top of the stack. So that is the meaning exchange L and L with top of stack. Okay, next push register pair. For example, push B or push A. So push B for BC register, push A for the accumulator. The content of the register pair in the operand are copied on the stack in the following sequence. So what are the sequence of data will be stored on the stack pointer register is decremented, and the content of higher order register B, D, H, A, these are all the higher order register are copied into that location. Suppose push B means you store the higher order address for B, then lower order address for C. So D means is higher order address for D, lower order address for E. H for HL register, higher order is H and lower order is L. So A for accumulator, store the content directly. Next, pop of stack is register pair. So push means for pushing the data in 16-bit data, that is register pair. Similarly, for pop of stack in register pair, the content of memory location pointed out by the stack pointer register are copied to lower order address first. First it eliminates the data in lower order address C, E, L, then higher order address. After that it eliminates the data in higher order address like B, D, H, A to pop the data in stack pointer. Okay, next out. Out means out data from accumulator to a port with 8-bit address. The content of accumulator are copied into the input output port specified by the operand. So for example, out is an instruction and F8H F8 for the data is pointed out the accumulator. The content of accumulator are copied into the input output port specified by the operand. Directly the content of accumulator will be copied on the input output port. That is the meaning of output, that is out instruction. Similarly for in data 2 accumulator from port with 8-bit address, that is in 8C is a data. The content of input port designated and the operand are read and loaded into the accumulator. So input port, the input port, the operand, the content of input port is directly read or load into the accumulators, but in out 8-bit address the content of accumulator is copied or write into input output port specified by the operand. So this is the difference for in and out instruction. So this will complete data transfer instructions. So what is data transfer? What are the data transfer instructions are supported in 8085? First one is move instructions, that is move register to register, register to memory, memory to registers, then move immediate. Then next LXI register pair, load address, LDA, STA for store accumulator, LHLD load in HL directly, SHLD store HL directly at address, LDAX, STAX exchange, then in and out, then push and pop for stack pointer. So these are all the some data transfer instruction. We shall so this will complete one category of 8085 instruction set. After that the next arithmetical and logical machine control instructions we have to discuss the later on the next video. Okay, thank you.